Hey Betsy, I'm going to show you how to put users on a Moodle page. I'll also show you a way to kind of streamline this process so that the students can actually do this work for you. So you just have to set something up. If you only have 5 users or something, it's not a big issue. If you've got 100 users or something, or you just want to have a common way to set some things up, I'll show you how to do it so that it's kind of streamlined. So we're going to log in, and we're going to go to the Moodle page that we want. I know you said you put some new ones in, so let's go see what we can find. I'll just grab one right here. Yeah, this is probably a new one, July 2018. So a couple things you need to do. First off, it looks like you imported well. There's a couple things that I notice. Let's go ahead and turn editing on. You've got 3 announcements tabs. So every time you make a Moodle page, announcements is there by default. So when you bring in another Moodle page, there's 2 announcements. So it looks like we might have forgot to delete, and that could have been on me. We forgot to delete a previous one. So we're just going to delete. So we only have 1 announcements tab. And then the other thing is you'll notice you've got some blank topics up here, topic 4 and 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into these tabs, and then in your edit, you can just delete section. There used to be another way to do that, but that's the easiest way to do it now. You'll just delete those sections. Okay, so now we'll get into actual putting users in the course. So here we're going to go to Administration and Users, and we're going to click Enrolled Users. Here's where we get to choose what users we'd like to enroll. So we're going to go ahead and click Enroll Users. Student looks good. Now you just search the name of this person. So for instance, if I type in my name, you're going to see the different accounts that I have that you could enroll in this course. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on one of them. I won't do it. And you'll click Enroll Users. That'll put their name here. Then you do it again. So you can click right there. Actually, I think if you add one, so I'll just do this to double check. Then you can just type in right there. So yeah, you can add another one. See how it allows you to add multiples. You can add as many as you need. So that's your fastest way to enroll users. If you want users to be able to enroll themselves, so rather than enrolling people in the class for them, if you want users to kind of do this step for you, what you're going to do is over here in enrollment, you're in administration. I do want to point out administration might be over here. I always dock mine. That means I've clicked this button. So administration by default is over here, same with navigation, but I click this button and then it's docked, so it's always right there. So I have my blocks docked. So over here, administration, you're going to go to enrollment methods. Here's where you get to choose how people enroll. If you want self-enrollments, this means that students are going to put themselves in the course where you don't have to put them in the course for them. You're just going to move self-enrollments up. Then here we're going to click the cog, and we get to choose what we want for self-enrollments. So yes, we want to allow existing. Yes, we want to allow new. If you don't put anything here, that's fine. Then people can just enroll themselves. You also can put a code there. So if you don't want anybody to be able to enroll themselves, so for example, this one we could do July as our code. You don't need to use group enrollments. That's kind of the next step of this. You're going to default to student, and none of this other stuff matters. Go ahead and hit save. Now what's going to happen when a student comes to this course for the first time, it's going to say you have to enroll in this course. Actually, I can just show this to you. This is course 1772. So I'm going to log in. I'll just use a different account. So I'm going to go to 1772. It says here, to use this course, you have to enroll. So I'm going to type in July and enroll me. Now the students did the enrolling part. So that kind of took it off of your shoulders. You get to choose how you do it. I just wanted to show you both ways. Let me know if you have questions.